Okay, the second vlog will be talking about is Jobert Melendez. Now, this is the story. Once upon a time, Jobert Melendez is make me a super kind to me. And they said, Federico, do you want to be your crush? And I accepted it. I said, yes, Jobert, you are only my crush. And they kissed me on my mouth. How can Jobert do that? They kiss my mouth and Jobert is agreed to crush me. That's super fun. I am super fun to him, Jobert. Maraming salamat, kinarush mo ko dahil she doesn't, and Camille Georgia, she doesn't want to be being a baby because she has already a baby. So I understand to him. Jobert, I am, did you think Carl Ivan is gonna agree to you to crush me? Okay. I accepted to be a crush you because you're my favorite person of pupils too because you are guapo, you're smiling face, and you're make me a super kissing on my mouth. Thank you, Jobert. Maraming salamat ginarash mo ko kasi lahat ng mga classmates ko natutuwa sila sa akin lalo-lalo na si Ma'am Vanessa. Crush kita, Jobert. I agree to you. You're super kind to me and thank you for joining me on my game. Thank you for joining me your game. I am super proud to you. Like Carl Ivan Bustamante, like Jaili Cyrus Tambilawan. I am super proud to you, Jobert. Sorry lang, bulol ako, Jobert, ha. Crush na crush kita, huwag ka mag-alala. I am always here for you. Kasi gwapo mo, napakasungit mo, pero mabait ka. Yun ang gugustuhan ni Panginoon. Maraming salamat. Kikis kita, Jobert. Love you. I am super proud of you. Bye, Jobert. And this is the end of the story.